In this video, I'll guide you through how to configure and set up your Steam community profile. If you're looking to personalize your Steam account and make your profile stand out, you're in the right place. A well-configured community profile lets you showcase your gaming personality, achievements, and preferences while giving you more control over how others interact with your account. Stay with me until the end, because the tutorial will begin in just a moment. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app is running, you'll need to sign in if you haven't already. Click the Login button, then enter your account name and password. Double-check your information to make sure it's correct before clicking Sign In. After a successful login, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage where all of your account features are available. Next, click on your profile near the top of the Steam window, then select View My Profile. This is your personal community page where other users can see your gaming activity, achievements, and other information you've chosen to share. To begin making changes, click the Edit Profile button. Start by updating your profile name. Choose a name that's easy to recognize and reflects how you'd like to appear within the Steam community. After that, enter your location if you'd like to share it. Adding this information can make it easier to connect with other players from your region. Remember to save your changes whenever you finish updating a section so your edits aren't lost. Now it's time to personalize the look of your profile. Open the Avatar section and choose an image that best represents you. Your avatar is one of the first things other Steam users will notice, so selecting one that matches your style can help give your profile a unique identity. Once you've made your selection, save your changes. Next, move to the Profile Background section and select a background that complements your profile. After choosing a background, head to the Theme section and pick a color scheme or design that ties everything together. These visual elements help create a polished and personalized appearance. Finally, review your privacy settings. Here you can decide who can view your profile, game details, friends list, inventory, and comments. Whether you prefer everything to be public, visible only to friends, or completely private, choose the settings that best match your preferences. And that's all there is to it. Your Steam community profile is now fully configured and customized to reflect your personality while giving you full control over your privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized Steam experience.